Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine. That's good. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 1. And we are learning unit 10. Its title is Stormy Weather. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of listening and speaking, we are going to learn how to listen and respond to a few commands. Before this, I have taught you how to respect elders in your previous lesson. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further, listen and respond to a few commands. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah An-Nisa, verse 59, O you who have believed, obey Allah and obey the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam and those in authority among you. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has directly instructed us to obey 3 authorities. The first supreme one is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So all the time, in any condition, we are supposed to follow Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's command. After Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And who after him? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us, authority among you means the one who is above us. And how do we find it? Like if we are at home, our parents are authority. If we are at school, our teacher, our principal, they are authority. And beta, as Pakistani, our government is authority. So Allah is saying, obey them. We are supposed to obey the commands of our elders. If they are under the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they are according to the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we are 100% supposed to obey them. Do you understand? So, how do we obey them and what does it mean? We are going to learn today. First, tell me, what are commands? What do you think? What are commands? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, what are commands? Commands are basically beta orders. Okay? Order to do something from an authority. So as I told you, who is authority, who is bigger, who is elder than you? If you are at home, whatever your mother tells you, your mother asks you to do, that is a command. Likewise, your teacher's order for student and government order for citizens. So the authority, the elder person, when elder person asks us to do something, we are supposed to follow that. That is a command, that is an order. And what should we do? We should listen and we should follow, we should obey it, and we should show it through our gestures with a very positive way. Yes, I'm going to do it. I will do it. Yes, sure. So beta, we should be very obedient whenever an elder person commands us to do something. How should we respond? We should say, okay, yes, inshallah, with a very nice body gesture. We should not make faces, why all the time you ask me to do? No, we should be positive, we should be kind, and we should be obedient. Whenever we are being asked to do something, we should say, okay, I'm going to do this. Do you understand? This is how beta, because when tomorrow you will be grown up, your younger will obey you. This is how the system is. All right. So let's see what does your book say about it. Here is a dialogue between a mother and a son. So what the mother commands to her son and how the son is going to follow. Let's see. So firstly, what she's saying, open your bag. So mother is saying to her son, open your bag. what should son say? The son should say, okay, mother. Okay, mama. Yes, mama, I'm going to open my bag, right? With a happy face. Whenever you are going to follow the commands, you should be happy for that, okay? Don't make faces. Don't be annoyed, okay? All right. Next, mama is saying, take out the book. Now, open your bag and take out the book. The son is saying, yes, I'm taking it out, mama. I'm taking it out. I know I have to open my bag and I have to do my work, okay? And mama say, read the book. Read the book. Read your English lesson. And the son says, I'm reading, mother. Okay, mama, I'm reading it, right? Better be happy with a very nice way, in a very obedient way, you should say it, okay? What mama is saying, do your homework. Yes, your teacher gives you homework every day, so you have to do it. What does the son say? I'm going to start it, mother. Right? So, beta, this is how when you are with your mother, you are with your elder brother, elder sister, with your father, with your grandparents, with your teacher, whosoever is in authority among you, you should respond very nicely. Okay? In a very obedient way. This is just a dialogue, but this is giving us the way how we should respond to command. Do you understand? Okay, let's practice it through an activity. What the activity is? Your teacher will divide class in small groups, okay? And assign each group a character with an authority, okay? This character can be a teacher, a mother, or a leader, whosoever, okay? To give and respond commands. Now this character is going to give commands and rest of the group will respond to commands. Each group will present in front of class how they will give and respond to commands. Okay, so you are going to act in small groups. So pause the video, complete this activity, enjoy it thoroughly and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. I hope you have responded to commands in a very obedient way. Okay, so it's time for your homework. You will practice to follow commands by parents at home. So your parents, your father or your mother is going to give you commands and you are going to follow those commands. Okay, so here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do, here are few commands. You are going to listen and respond to these commands. So what we have learned today, we learned to listen and respond. To listen and respond to commands. So we achieved our today's SLO, to listen and respond to a few commands. Are we done with it? Yes. So whatever we learned today, we should practice it. Okay, every time we will follow commands in a very nice way, inshallah, right? So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.